Okay, natural frontal. That's how y'all feeling? On this glueless situation today? That's how you feeling? Glueless. Good night. Good stinking night.
All right, guys, so I'm here with Miss Tiana. Tiana is an 8-inch, okay, unit from Natural Frontal Wig. She's a nice, beautiful, deep wave. Look at how pretty she is. She's up. Throw her on. She came with an adjustable strap, which is fantastic because I'm a neater, and a wig cap. But look at this. Look at her. Okay, so we're just going to get her together. We're going to wear her down and get her right on together, okay? Unit, look how beautiful that lace is. She's super brown because we brown girls like this, not like this. So she has 3 combs in the front, okay, because she wants you to be secured, okay, down to the socks. 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. So this Tiana wig is going for $145. Again, she's 8 inches. We're just going to brush her out to see what she looks like in her natural state. Now, Tiana is already pre-plucked and bleached. She's a soft curly wig that's as thick as about 3.5 bundles. So she's thicker than a Snickers, and we love them like that. I always feel like natural frontal hair lace is stunning, so that's not anything new. But good night. Did I just blow dry my hair or no? I'm just going through and darkening up the perimeter a little bit, especially because we're not going to glue this one down. We're going to wear her glueless because you can. I'm like, she's super snug on my head. I'm going to turn around for you guys. Again, she's 8 inches. And this is a super easy unit. So we're going to treat her just like that. Okay? I'm just going through and getting this together. Look at that. Good night. First of all, if I'm not giving you all Whitney Houston, I don't know what I'm doing. I love this hair. I love it. We're going to wet her down, though, and get her together, okay? One of the great things about naturalfrontal.com is that I have the Tiana wig in a medium cap size. You can customize your cap size as well, which is super great for quality wigs. You want to make sure that she sits on top of your head, okay? She is a crown, all right, honey? Look at her out the scalp. I don't even know if we deserve. This is really one of those units. I'm wearing her in the streets like right now, just so y'all know. I'm literally getting ready to go out. I know what the mayor of LA said. I'm doing it anyway. Quality units are so important. Every girl should have one. At least. At the very, very least, you should have one, okay? And I'm going to say this. They never fail me. I saw this and I was like, but I just knew. But that's how much I trust the brand. Like, I trust the brand. I've had done 3 units. This is my 3rd review on a natural frontal unit so far. And I trust the brand. These girls are great. This company is great. I'm just like, you guys. Now, again, this unit is a little bit more expensive. She's $148. But that's what I'm saying. Like, you get what you pay for. And I hate to say that. I'm not even going to say you get what you pay for. This is quality in and of itself. This is something like, you know, even of the human hair units that I do, these units are always super quality. Like, super quality. So, I wouldn't even say you get what you pay for. It's just that they setting a standard above and beyond everybody else's. How about that? I'm just, like, so impressed. Let me turn around as I'm giving y'all my Whitney Houston look. Okay. Get into her out the scalp. Not even glued down. She ain't glued down. I did not glue her down. I literally wanted something easy so I can grab and go. And I'm just going to style her to the side. Good night. Good night. Do y'all want something else? Do I have to do anything else for y'all? Do I have to come through for the kids any more than I already have? Natural Frontal, good night. Thank you so much for coming through with a cute little ting for the kids. We appreciate you, okay? Good night. I love you all, okay? And I hope you guys have a very good day. Let me go hit the streets. Make sure I go meet my man at this daggone thing. And I will see you beautiful mugs later. Be safe. Bye.